Welcome to this week's edition of Tech News. As some of you may have been aware, Apple have had plans to build an Apple car since 2014. According to a recent Bloomberg report, the Apple car is still very much alive, with a planned launch of a self-driving car as soon as 2025. The report says Apple is still planning to launch a vehicle, despite reported strategy shifts and internal debate on how to proceed with the project. The report says, the current plan is to make something fully autonomous and remove both the traditional steering wheel and pedals. The company also has sought to emphasize safety with its vehicle. The latest update comes with news Apple has reportedly hired a key figure from Ford who helped lead safety efforts and vehicle engineering at the legacy auto company. Apple has not commented on the reported hire of Desi Ijkashevich, while Ford says she has retired from the company. Desi Ijkashevich had worked at Ford for over 30 years, the report says, and may now take on a similar role for Apple. However, Ijkashevich has undertaken multiple engineering roles at the firm that could be useful to Apple. She was also involved in the development of Ford's growing range of electric vehicles, such as the EV version of the F-150 pickup. That could be key for Apple, as could her experience in dealing with regulatory issues. Apple has none of that when it comes to the auto market. Would you be interested in buying an Apple car? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to keep up to date with the latest tech news, then please subscribe. Thank you.